Apple Notes versus Obsidian. Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Creations. In today's video, we're comparing Apple Notes and Obsidian to help you decide which note-taking app is the best for your needs. Let's dive in. First, let's go to Apple Notes. It has a seamless integration across all Apple devices like iPhone, iPod, and Mac. Easy-to-use interface with support checklists, sketches, and attachments. It also has a built-in cloud syncing for real-time updates. Best for users looking for a simple, reliable note-taking app. But it is only limited customization and advanced organization features, and only available on Apple devices. But when it comes to Obsidian, it has a local storage with full data control, powerful backlining graph view for connecting ideas, with highly customizable with plugins, themes, and markdown support. It is also best for researchers, writers, and power users needing deep note connections, but it is steeper learning curve for beginners. No built-in cloud sync, which requires third-party service for syncing. Now let's go to our final verdict. Use Apple Notes if you want a simple, user-friendly note-taking app that works seamlessly across Apple devices. And use Obsidian if you need an advanced note, linking full customization and complete control over your data. Which one do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.